This is basically our PoE display. It's kind of showing what happens when you power up a cable to approximately 100 watts worth of power. This is our 22 gauge PoE cable, category 6. It's designed to handle higher power PoE. But what's really interesting about some of our new cables is that it is LP rated. So UL had recently come up with a new listing criteria for PoE performance. And we are very proud to be able to say that we are the first company to come up with products and the first company to obtain listings for the LP. Effectively, it just allows you to go up to certain wattage without ever exceeding your ampacity, without ever exceeding your cable temperature rating, so that you're assured that your cables will not degrade over time when you run high-powered PoE. You can imagine the temperature of the room right now is about 20 degrees Celsius roughly. And so these are powered up to 100 watts. So this is the 22 gauge category 6, as I mentioned. This is our GenSPEED 10 MTP, our flagship category 6A cable. As you can see, it is much better performing at the same current level. Actually, if you move over to the other side of the booth, this is where the story gets pretty interesting. This is our standard category 5E. You can expect this type of performance for most category 5E in the industry. They're 24 gauge cables, and as you can see, the temperatures are quite high. These are also going to be significantly worse if you put this in a more difficult environment, such as a conduit and raceways inside under other cables. So these can easily go up to beyond the cable temperature rating if you are not careful.